start with a WordPress install. I've deleted all the plugins to show you which ones I want to use, and then so we're going to install some plugins in this video, and then we are going to pick a different theme besides the basic theme they give us, which I believe, let's just open this link in a new tab. Yep, it's going to be the 2017 theme. So we're going to pick a different theme and install it. Okay, so let's start with adding some new plugins. First off, let's do WordFence. Okay, I'm going to install that one. Activate that one. Okay. All right, let's go to my dashboard. I don't want it to enable. I'm going to dismiss this. Let's see. Let's take a look at the WordPress dashboard. No, I don't want to auto enable. Okay. Okay, so now when I installed it, the firewall's in learning mode. That's interesting. Okay. Just make sure it's activated. Okay, so let's go through this. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay. So it says when you first install WordFence web application firewall, it will be in learning mode. This allows them to learn about your site. Okay. Let's go add some more plugins. All right, next one, Yoast. Okay. Install that. Activate it. Okay. Let's do, and I'll do some more detailed ones about these plugins. Oh, I got to add new. Individual videos about this. This is going to be a quick one. So, yeah, we want this one. WordPress social share, social login, and social comments plugin, Super Socializer. We'll install that. And we'll go through a setup in a different video for each of these plugins, and we're going to activate. Okay. All right. Let's do. We got to go back to add new. All right. And we're going to pick a Google Analytics plugin. I'm going to do this dashboard. Install that. And again, I'll go through the setup of each of these in a different video. Activate that one. All right. I also like using Gutenberg as the default editor. So I'm going to look for that. I'm going to install that. Now, some people don't like Gutenberg, but I like it. I think it's pretty cool. And it is coming to WordPress Core 5.00 soon. So could be as soon as this month. We're not sure. All right, and then one more. This helps if I want to migrate the site. I'm going to search for that. And all-in-one WP migration, and I'll install that. Okay, and activate. All right. So these are kind of the base plugins I go with. Now what I'm going to do is, and I'll go into each one of these in more detail in separate videos. All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open a new tab, and then we'll search for Best free blog themes 2018 WordPress. Okay, so let's take a look at this site. So righty, could do that. Type. I'm gonna pick one that I haven't done before. Blogway Olson Light. Olson Light. Okay, let's go with that one. I haven't done that one yet. All right, so I'm going to go back over to here, and I'm going to go to Appearance Themes. Click Add New. Okay, hold on one sec. Okay, so now I'm just going to search for Olson Light. Okay, Olson Light. Install it. And we'll activate it. Now the thing about each theme is every theme is different. So now I want to take a look at the customizer and see, and I've never used this theme before, so we're going to see, and there's an option to upgrade to Pro here. Okay, see what they got. So header options. We could show the social icons. I don't have those set up yet, but yeah, sure, that sounds good. Menus, we can set up a menu. Don't have that yet. We just have this default blog here. Site identity. Okay, here's where I can type in my site identity. So this is going to be say my cycling site. And type in unkcycling.com. Okay, and this is saying Olson for some reason. I'm not sure why that is. So I might actually say, this theme is a little dumb, and switch to a different one. But we'll see. Let me see what happens if I publish that, because sometimes the customizer, it doesn't show what you're actually doing. So let's refresh this. See how it changes. No, so it still shows this. So that's odd. So off the gun, I don't really like that. So let's go look and see if we have another one. Unwind, period, righty, no, floral, author. That one's kind of neat. Mia, no, I kind of want one with a sidebar like this, and post there. Everly's blog. Everly Light, interesting. Juliet, Sorrenti, I've used that one on a different site. That one's good. Placid. That's kind of interesting. Kokoro. A bunch of interesting ones. Marlin Light. I don't want to do some more writing. Nope. No. Kale. Okay. Let's go back and let's check the 49 best free ones. Okay. Modernized. No, Sarg. Human. Juno. Peaceful. Hygera. I've used that one. Wisteria. Used that one. Ribosome. Magazine style. Let's see. Unwind. I want something simple. Maxwell. That's kind of neat. Hit. No, need a sidebar with mine. Flat. I've used that one. Baskerville. No. Fashionista. Let's take a look at when this was updated. So Fashionistas WordPress theme. I'm going to Google that. It's a free theme. 4.5 rating. December 9th, 2015. Okay, so this has not been updated in a couple of years, so I'm not going to use that one. All right. Admiral Sports. Hero, no. So what you want to do is you can scan through Google and find some ones that you like. Writer blog, tech blogger, no. Author, that's coming back up. Tempo, I like to ride Tempo as a bike rider, but it doesn't have a sidebar, so I don't like it. Responsive, okay. So I'm looking, not seeing much here. Okay, let's try one more. All right, so I got radiate, no. C note, no. Color mag, use that one. Radiate, no. Righty, no. Zilla, no. Freedom, no. A lot of no's here. And so it's all kind of in the opinion of the person. So ProBlog, Hemingway, no. Flat, Tracks, Studio, Sueva, Seasonal, Sparkling, Wilson. I've used Wilson before, that's good. All right, so I'm not finding anything really here. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Actually, I'm going to go over to this tab. I'm going to close this out because Olson's being a little weird. I don't know why it's doing that. So I'm going to go to Appearance, then Themes, Add New, and I'm going to search for blog themes because that's what I want Uncycling to be. And then I'm going to start to go through. Let's see, ProBlog. See, I like the setup of that. Okay, I like this. All right, now open a new tab. Let's see, ProBlog WordPress theme. Okay, I'm gonna click on that. It was last updated January 15th, 2018. All right, I am going to, like I said, it's a free WordPress theme. All right, I am going to install this. I like it. Now, if you want to get more advanced, you can check out your themes with themecheck.org to see how good they are. All right, so I'm going to customize ProBlog now. Okay, so you see, that's good. It comes right up. Widgets. Sidebar doesn't have any widgets, so let's add some. Let's add some. We'll add about the author. I'll just write something here. Tim Unkert is a cyclist who loves to do website design. He has designed several, let's say hundreds, of WordPress websites that people can enjoy. He also loves to ride his bike. And this is a cycling one, to ride his bike. So I would personalize it more towards the bike riding. Follow his cycling journey on this blog. Okay. All right, so we got that. Let's add another widget. Let's do a search bar. I want that right on the top so you can search through the site. Okay. All right, so we got a search bar. We got a little bit about the author. We'll probably add a photo to about the author, and that is looking weird. So what's going on here? Dismissing that. I might do a little, because it's like overlaying. Okay, so that's being weird. So I don't know. Take out my title. And this is the thing you deal with new themes. So instead of that, let's go to the visual and go just do an about the author here. Because maybe these interfere a little bit, and we'll do bold and maybe underline. Okay, so we got that. So that's one way to get around. The title was overlaying, and that was very weird. So we don't want that. And then copyright, let's see, let's do site identity. My cycling site. Theme options, basic options, show category, show author, show posted date. Okay, so each one of these is different. So we've got a bunch of options, footer options. Okay, here we go. So we're going to type this right in. So copyright, and want that. And we'll go 2018 cycling.com, all period there, all rights reserved. Do another period, and then designed by, and I'm going to try and put a link in here and see if it allows me to do that. So I'm going to do unkertwebdesign.com, open it in a new tab, and then type in Unkert Web Design. And let's see. Yep. And that should work. Let's publish that. So we'll go over here. We'll refresh. So you can see the different theme, and it's not allowing me to use that link. So I may have to play with that and go into the footer file to get that working properly. Okay. Let's see. So we can do a background image if you want. You can do a header image if you want. I don't particularly care for that. We went through theme options. We can set up a menu. Widgets. Again, we started to set up some widgets in the sidebar. Maybe we'll do another one. Add archives down there. Okay. And again, this title, I can see it. I don't particularly like that. I may play with the CSS to get rid of that, or just fool with this theme. Okay. Now you can see the super socializer in here. In a later video, we'll talk about how we can reduce the number of icons and alter that using that plugin. Okay, homepage settings. You can switch between your latest post or a static page. And then here's a big one, the additional CSS. So you can put in a bunch of code in here and really make it different. And again, here with this, you can go into cPanel and alter this copyright, because I do want to be able to click on that. But right now I'm going to click publish. And that's a basic setup of a site, installing some plugins and a theme, and now you're ready to kind of get going. And you can start to build it up, and watching later videos for how to build a menu and all that kind of thing. But I want to keep this one kind of short. It ran a little bit long because I was searching through themes. Thank you for bearing with me. But again, I wanted to kind of be a raw website design where you just I'm going with themes I have not used ever before. All right, and I'm going to stop the video now. Thank you for watching.